Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Na anope mama fanchi akesema wetifo titru nyi atoy mantemfo nkankanara takwanso ayem na ansa na moko one demonstration do no ma minute kru bia na nsem bia okekan wo ha ofan
ni nyina awo time
yeah akwan ho no min yi ano se ehwe sisi amenyo kase ya ewu do kasa no o se akwana wo waya akwana bebre asphalt no bebre but mezi kana azatu gwade Ghana nyina no ye kwana oye mo trouble oye only 27%, but the impression NDC kept on creating to the people of Ghana ye there ya kwa nyina waye mampo no mampanyin na nado danko akufo onam kwa no dompo no wada. And that is the impression they created for Ghanaians. But I'm telling him there, as I speak with you, the contractor is on site. Watakwa, made the can mark and one some dado. If he say, "Ehwehena kwan hunsama road funder, sabisika bemeno, NDC for was the kesia wa, was the kaje busia, say 60 million Ghana cedis na every month. Say ubenya, sisiano, or a day was in 58 million. Was ukutia road fund. And sikanara yesba yakwano zaka jebosia. And where do you expect us to get money to do these roads? Oya nyamimpo and was able to them pempendi. Sande kwana NDC for fado di jagana no. Oya kwana sabi cardinal. Oh wajen papa. There yatso cool road fund. There sikambrem. Ne sikano bemino. Yemfe binya kwana zaka jebosia. Sisi sika bem so ade ezikotua bosia na wara kuria so aten ho abetena ha ereka akwan ho asem yenka fizika no wayefa ye. But I believe the plight of Ghanaians onye yen how na onu nti ene yeguda ye show concern there. Yen roads must be fixed, yen railways must be fixed. Nti abotar na ye best Ghana fo amede bia mekade memfa NDC fo enye me benchmark nana. In summer, Warwick Kenyina, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, may he so rest in perfect peace. Abra oye mampain, na Ghana nyina your population, oye 6 million. Damn 6 million no, mampain Kwame Nkrumah the two gwade. Say, my Ghana nyina ye free, amamo from a school free ya. Oba how hinsi kasam. Inti obehia de yebema moframba. Wo northern belt no wako school free. Ontumuma even the southern belt crown wonko 6 million. Ghana in population yes 6 million. Only the northern belt pay. Now Dr. Kwame Nkrumah okade Ghana for ibutumi ama hokwan mawenya access to free secondary school education. Now yenya mampanyina or say irrespective of the fact there CCIN population oye about 30 million. Yama Ghana nyina bofrebe bia wo Ghana. So secondary school no kwe no. Onko ni free. 6 million po yentum yen cater for the whole Ghana. Nenda 30 million. Ye cater for the whole Ghana. Na ye kade as in yes, oye the necessary evil because oye blood. Oye Ghana sika nanso obehia there. Education no, ye be invest in education. Because the alternative no on your field. Until the surest way to go is to invest in education. Nemum oyadisa yesika semno oma otusin ame moya me dog esi wo mi there at least our natural resources aye woni nyina no ifie bia busua bia mu no anye ye kra no 20 million old Ghana cedis akom your friend 2000 Ghana cedis. Inti impact aye hwe na natural resource no ibi kwa busua bia Nana?
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.